What's up, Gunplum Modelers? This is Strider Prime bringing you a Shinjuku update. Today is May 8th, 2019, and we've been seeing some interesting developments in the Gunpla community within the past 12 hours. Let's get the elephant out of the room. First things first, the high-grade Penelope from Hathaway's Flash has been, officially shown as a prototype. As you can see here in the picture of the actual kit, or prototype kit, you could say. No release date, other than clearly it's gonna. Based on how, if I can see the actual image, I think maybe calendar year, maybe at the end of this year, maybe the beginning of next year. It is a prototype, so we probably won't see no official pictures of it, what it really looks like, by the next hobby show that usually comes around September, October-ish. But yeah, it just says high grade Penelope, and wow, it's a big boy. We've already seen the another, the Penelope and the Cassie made by another company, which you can get, of course, if you plan to get it. I was never a big fan of buying, nothing less than a Bandai. And I'm saying to myself, wow, this is actually pretty big. And at a high grade scale, I think somebody told me it's going to probably be it's going to be double the size of a high grade Gundam. So it could be 12 inches-ish, you could say. It's definitely going to be around the same height size as a master grade. But will it be the master grade height of, let's say, Turn A? Or Sazabi Verka? We will wait and see. We will wait and see with keen interest on this. Now, the next update, and we all kind of knew this was coming. The real grade Tallgeese 3, and Tallgeese 3. We already know, you can get it as a P Bandai, the master grade version, and of course you can get it from P Bandai as well as the 144 scale real grade. Yeah, we kind of knew everything was coming up like that. It was a given. That, and of course the Tallgeese 2, which, in all due fairness, it's just a recolor, a little bit of a different head, a different crown, and the ability to make it stand and hold the Dober gun in a different way, which I think it's been played out a billion times, both in high grade, in master grade, and now we're going to do it in real grade. So, however, as me and Prime 92 were online looking, and I refreshed the screen, and we were talking with another friend of ours, I was looking at a couple of pictures, and this was all on Twitter. Twitter is pretty much breaking the news left and right. Tag Hobbies was like a little far behind on the updates. And then I started noticing, like, everybody talking about a couple of images, like 2 images. And I'm saying to myself, why are they showing Luna Marie Hawk? Until when I clicked on it, and I saw the letters MG. Bandai has announced we are getting a master grade Zaku Warrior Luna Marie Hawk. I was shocked, completely and utterly, without a doubt, shocked that we are getting this kit. And here's the first image that I saw, which I posted on Facebook, and I was like, "You what? No, Really? And then here is another official shot, and this is better than what we're seeing right now. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see on my current build on my table right now, I have the Lunamary Hawk kit that I purchased a long time ago. I think that's what you're looking at here is my first ever painted build of the Lunamary Hawk, but in yellow and blue colors. Pretty much turning it into the Best Buy colors, as I called it. And at the time I said, okay, cool, it has some great detail. But I'm looking at this new one and I'm in love with it. Oh my god. It is, look at the detail on the legs, the waist unit, the chest, even the side binder armor with the spikes. That is absolutely gorgeous. You see some features that are inherited to the original Zaku, like in the forearm area where it bends. So yeah, it's taking cue from the original Zaku in one aspect or another. Oh my god, clearly nobody was expecting this. Absolutely nobody was expecting a kit like this, and we're getting it. We're absolutely getting it. That really hit us. We could not anticipate something like this. Many people would have been arguing, "Oh, we'll probably hopefully get the and they haven't even announced an RE version, any new RE kits." But coming this September, we are getting this kit for 4,600 yen, I think it is, and this is a master grade. This is not an RE100. And we're already getting the Zaku 2 Kai from 0080 and the Vigna Gaigana 2, which in reality I'm starting to dig that. But we're getting this. That's 3. Wait a minute. Are we getting 3 real grades in this year? No, not real grades. Excuse me. 3 RE kits this year? Yeah, we are. We are. What do you guys think of this? This is actually a surprise announcement that nobody was ready for. High grades, of course, we've known about the Makanakakas, and we're getting like a nice case of that. If you guys want to buy a case of 38 plus 4 times whatever you guys feel like buying, it's up to you. But we're getting into that. P Bandai, we already know about the F90, which in reality, why P Bandai? Why? What are you basing off this kit out of? I would have been fine with the normal version of this as an RE 100 or master grade, yes, and then make all those goddamn other packs that you're announcing as P Bandai's. You can do whatever you want. But for now, my eye is on Lunamary Hawk. And clearly everybody was posting, I want the Blaze, I want this version, I want that version. Oh, when are we going to release the Dom Trooper? I was like, give it a minute. You pretty much lit the internet on fire on how many versions do we want on this, and what other non-seed seed kits or seed destiny kits we want. Clearly everybody's probably going to say, what happened to the Gaia or the what was the other one? I forgot the other two from Destiny. We already got all the units from the first season, and I wouldn't mind seeing like the Jin or the Din, not the Din. Din is too flying type, but the Jin, I would like to see that come out as an RE100. That would have been nice. Master grade, maybe, but a RE100 would have been perfect for this. There are other announcements that I'm not going to cover because we already know the real grade new Gundam. We already know that we already knew. A lot of P Bandai announcements now. The one announcement from P Bandai is the what do you call it? The Dodai Kai announced. I remember having the Dodai, no, the normal version from the EX line. Conroy's Mega Bazooka launcher has been announced. If you want that, there's going to be another high grade Char Zaku 1. It's going to be re-released again. I don't know why, maybe, but it is. There's going to be a P Bandai Char Zaku 2 limited packaging version. It's 144 scale, but it's going to have like the classic image design from back in the day, you could say. So yeah, Bandai has really stirred up the pot, and this is just day one. Normally I would probably wait a couple of days and then report, so we may do a part 2 video of this, who knows. But I'm surprised, I am shocked, and I am ready to invest. And clearly I'm gonna have to wait. Hopefully I'm at my new place to get this kit before whatever. So thank you guys all for watching, and stay tuned for more Gundam models yet to come. You guys all have a great day.